All right, everyone. Once in a while, and it's getting more often and often here at MGM Classic Cars, where these beautiful monster cars are coming in, these freaking beautiful muscle cars. I wish I can swear, but I can't. What I'm saying to you is these cars that are coming into MGM Classic Cars dealership, these are cars that I just want to take home and hide away, because the build, the quality, the time, the money, even to get the bugs out of a car that you freshly build on this one is all done. And this is why it's my top shelf. This 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle is now for sale. And if no one buys it because it's not cheap, I don't care. I really don't care. We have all of these other cars to sell. But man, from time to time, there's a few that just stand out. The marina blue finish on this car is superb. Okay, the chrome is all new. This is a full restored, body off restoration, recently completed. It's got lightly tinted windows. Trim is unbelievable throughout the car. The glass is new. Now, I would finish the car off in a couple different ways. Meaning, yeah, do I like the sleeper look like this one has? Absolutely. But do I prefer it? No. I prefer a different wheel and tire package, but that's just me. And one thing that I didn't agree with this particular restoration are the side mirrors. I'm not a fan of these side mirrors. So I would change that if this is something that will stick around. And I kind of hope it does, because I will take this home to my collection. The paint is a 10, guys. The shine, the fit, finish is in excellent condition. And I am totally in love with this car. And I'm telling you, you don't have to buy it. But if you are looking, yeah. But if you are looking for a 6.6 that's hopped up, but looks stock, and you want something really freaking nice and you're picky, then this one might be it. Let me check under the hood. I want to show you guys a few things. Guys ready? You sure? Look at this thing. Holy yeah. 502 aluminum heads, Wilwood disc brakes, Edelbrock polished intake, RPM setup there. Everything is brand new, including the MSD 6AL. Love the firewall. Upgraded aluminum radiator. Huge fan to cool this beast off. Look at this beautiful core support. All I have to say is, holy, you know what? Wow, I freaking love this car. Did you see how that opened? Look at this. Look at this, how beautiful. How high quality. They added power windows. Look at the inner jams. Brand new door sill plates. Outer jams. TMI leather interior. Tilt wheel. beautiful upgraded gauges. Holy shit. Look how nice this is, man. Tilt wheel, upgraded radio. Wow. Vintage air conditioning, blows cold. Electric cutouts. And now that's with the electric cutouts closed. So this is how it would sound. Have it either way, guys. Look how straight that body is. My God. Now listen to how this door closes. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to sound. Well, there you have it, guys. One of the finest 1966 Chevrolet Chevelles on the planet, now available. Metal is as straight as can be, and the quarters do appear to be original as well, guys. So they did pick a really good solid car to do the restoration. Underneath you can eat off. Please check out those photos at my website. Now if you need financing, you will need about $9,000 down and good credit. If your credit score is over 800, a no money down option is available. So keep that in mind. If you need delivery, call or text me. I do prefer text. You'll get a quicker response. My number is area code 847-848-1850. And if you guys need more information about the details, please go to mgmclassiccars.com. My name is Thomas, and thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars.